messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I remove my hard gel extensions from my natural nails from start to finish. So I'm basically going to show you all the steps I take to completely remove all of the products from my nails, and to do so safely. So if you're interested in a closer look at everything I do to get rid of these nails, then just keep on watching. So my very first step before I do anything is to go ahead and wash my hands and sanitize my nails. Even though I'm about to remove this product, I still feel like if I have clean hands going into this, then no ickies could get in the way, and it just stops infection or cross-contamination or any of that kind of thing getting in the way of your nails. So once I've did that, I go ahead and take my nail nippers. Now these ones I use mostly to get rid of the larger Swarovski crystals, but you'll notice I switch over to just a pair of cuticle nippers to get rid of those caviar beads and the smaller Swarovski crystals. So I go ahead and remove them from all of the nails. Then my next step, once I've removed all of the bling, is to go ahead and remove the gel polish and also debulk the hard gel. So for that I like to use my e-file, but you could go ahead and use a hand file if you wish. So the drill bit I'm using today is a safety bit. It is absolutely fantastic and I really love it. I could get really close to my cuticle area without irritating it. I have super sensitive skin, so really just staring at my cuticles for long enough probably would make them bleed. So I really love this bit, because like I say, I could get as close as I wish to that cuticle without making it irritated or sore. So I go ahead and use this bit and remove all of the gel polish and also debulk the nail. And by that I mean just file that hard gel down as close to the natural nail as I possibly can and leave just a little amount at the end. And simply I do that because basically I'm not really confident of filing my natural nail with the e-file, so I take the hard gel down as close to my natural nail as I can and then soak the rest off. Obviously with it being a soak off gel, a hard gel, it's not going to soak off per se, but I do have a soak off gel base coat underneath my hard gel. I always use it, so when I'm soaking it off it really just softens the gel, so I'm able to scrape it off without hurting my own nail. So this is what my nails look like once I get finished debulking everything. So as you can see my nails perfectly well through that hard gel, but there is still a protective layer, and that is what I'm going to be soaking off. But before I do that, I am going to go ahead and nip off the extensions just above where my natural nail was. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my tin foil. So I take a large square and fold it in 4, and then I go ahead and cut it out so I have 5 pieces for my 5 fingers, obviously. So I'm only soaking off one hand, so I cut my tin foil into 5, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same with my cotton rounds. So I take one cotton round, cut it in half, and then I sort of split that little piece into 2, so I have 4 pieces from one cotton round, and then I'm going to do the same so I have enough for my 5 fingers. Then to soak off my nails, I'm using the Ink London Gel Polish Remover. I absolutely love this stuff, but what I do is I add just like a cap of acetone into a half a bottle, and that's what I use to remove my hard gel. So I go ahead and take one whole cotton round, place that on the cotton, and then put the 5 little pieces of the cotton rounds onto it and completely saturate it. And then I go ahead and add them to my nails and wrap each finger in tin foil. Then I go ahead and set the stopwatch on my phone and time this for 20 minutes. Then after the first 20 minutes, I go ahead and remove the tin foil and the little cotton pad, and then I remove any of the gel that is visibly able to remove on my nail. So it's usually the bit around the cuticle and the side walls that come off first, and then anything off the top layer I am able to scrape away, I do. At this point, you do not want to make the gel like force it to come off, because that's how you will thin out your nails. So I go ahead and rewrap my nails for another 20 minutes until I am able to get that gel off with no issues. So we are now 40 minutes in, and as you can see, the gel is completely able to be scraped off the nail, and the top coat, the soak off top coat underneath, is great for that as well. So I just go ahead and remove any of the product that is on my nails. Then my next step is to go in with the Ink London buffer, and I'm using the 100 grit side, and I'm just going to go ahead and gently buff my nails. It looks like I'm going to tan here, but I've sped up the process, but I am just gently buffing the surface of my nail to remove any excess residue from that gel and to clean the surface of the nail. Next, I go ahead and take the cotton pad that was underneath the rest from the beginning, and I go ahead and use the leftover remover on that cotton pad just to remove any dust and debris from my nails and to clean the nail plate. So the next step is completely optional, but I wanted to go ahead and trim my nails because, like I said, they had gotten a bit long underneath that hard gel extensions. So I'm using my YNR nail nippers and I'm going to go ahead and trim off my nails, and then I switch over to my Leighton Denny glass nail file and I go ahead and file my nails into just a slight oval shape. Then once again I will go ahead and sanitize my nails, and I am absolutely loving using this pocket back, I think it's called, from Bath and Body Works. It smells amazing and I really like it, so I will go ahead and sanitize my nails. And then my last and final step in my gel removal process is to go ahead and add some cuticle oil, and the reason I'm doing this is because I am going to go ahead and do my Russian manicure and redo my nails, so the cuticle oil helps with buffing my skin. So I really like to do this after I have removed my gel polish and before I start the next part of my routine. And that, guys, is us finally reached the end of how I remove my gel polish and my hard gel extensions. So I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and you've picked up a few tips and tricks. And always remember, guys, if you're interested in any of the products that I have used in my videos or I have mentioned in the tutorial, please check the description box because, as always, I will leave them linked down there for you guys. So if you did enjoy today's video, please give me a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Kylie. I am a complete nail polish addict, and on this channel you will find everything from nail art to swatches, reviews and the occasional haul. So if that's something that piques your interest, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click that notifications bell. And as always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.